lovies, it is I, yours truly, Lisa B, Lisa Bling, Lisa Sweet Melody B, coming at you with another retro-tastic fast wig review. Now this soulful artwork of hair is made by Outree. She is their Wig Pop synthetic full wig. This is not a lace wig. She is Jayana, and she's in the color DR4 Tiramisu. Now Jayana is a far cry from the look that is on the package here, or not really on the package because I don't have the package, but as you can see, the advertisement versus what she looks like in real life, two different things. But honestly, I love this look. I love it because it is so sexy. I love it because it is so Foxy Cleopatra. I love it because she is so 70s. She is so soul singer sister. Come on. I love it. And one of the other things that I love is that she's an affordable wig that gives you high volume style. I mean, this is turned all the way up for your best soulful night, especially if you like to sing, perform. This is going to be a really nice go-to for a stage look, or you know, if you just like rocking that natural look as well, this is another way to do it and just enjoy all this glory of curls that they provide. It comes in about 6 different colors. It's great value. They promote that it's ready to wear and ready to go. And she is, it comes in the range of trendy styles, and it's heat safe. So if this look is not for you, you could definitely I believe the heat is up to only 400 degrees. So you could definitely flat iron it out and try to make it into a nice bob or something like that. But be very careful. Make sure you watch your tutorials, because obviously working with synthetic hair, you don't want to damage it because it is permanent. But it won't set you back too much, because on SoGoodBaby.com, where I got this, was about $17.99. So for the wig cap on the inside of it, it is obviously not, and I'm going to take this off for you. It's not, it's open like this, so there's no lace, because this is just a regular wig. This is a great starter wig. This is a great, you know, if you're on a budget but you like style and different kinds of styles, that this could be for you. It's got 2 combs on the side, which I don't bother to use too much because it holds really secure by the way that the cap is made to snug around your head. And it's got 1 comb, which I do use to hold the back from where I have it braided in the back. So this is very comfortable, especially for ladies who like to wear their hair natural, or who, you know, just want to protect their hair, their natural hair, and wear the protective style. This is going to be something that I recommend for you. But especially if you're just starting out with wigs, you want to go with maybe something that that doesn't cost a lot. Like lace front wigs basically cost, you know, in the 50s on up, depending on the type of style that you're looking for and the type of hair. But regular wigs will not usually set you back, unless, depending on the style, you know, then they can sometimes compare to a lace front wig, but it depends on who you buy it from. Typically, like one like this, it's only going to run you $20, around $20 or less. Okay. And so that's why I love it, because there are affordable styles for when we have, you know, we want to just look good on the go, or we're on a budget and stuff like that. That is definitely why I would get this. So aside from that, that's pretty much it. I love it. I love it. And it does come just the way that you see it. It is ready right out of the box. I have tried to tame the curls. You guys, if you have any other suggestions for curl taming, feel free to let me know. But yeah, I did a quick bath for it too as well, so I could try to lazy down the curl, which it did work a little bit. but it is more of an afro than a relaxed curl. This is not what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So nonetheless, if you liked it on me, I know you're gonna love it on you. Like, subscribe, make comments. So the only way we can do this is to get better, is to help each other. So that being said, thank you for your time. You have a wonderful, blessed Labor Day weekend.